Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tradingfyive. So today's video is going to be about technical versus fundamental analysis, wherein we'll study about technical and fundamental analysis and the comparison between both of these analysis. So the topics that are going to be covered in this video are what is technical analysis, what is fundamental analysis. Next, which we have is comparison between technical and fundamental analysis. And lastly is my views on technical versus fundamental analysis. So let's begin with what is technical analysis. The type of analysis which is used to predict the direction of the market by considering price, charts and other technical aspects of the market is called as technical analysis. The use of technical analysis gives us buying and selling level in a stock, through which we can make a trade in that stock. Basically, by using technical analysis, we get to know what is happening in the market instead of why it is happening in the market. Let's understand this. Technical analysis helps us to understand what kind of movement is going to occur in the market. And by considering it, we can make out the trades in the market. Next, which we have is fundamental analysis. The type of analysis which involves study of economy, company, industrial analysis or other such factors of the company like balance sheet, P&L statement, etc. is called as fundamental analysis. Basically, fundamental analysis is used to calculate the future value of stock using its fundamental factors. Let's say if a stock is trading at 100 rupees and by taking into consideration the balance sheet of the stock, the upcoming P&L statement and the cash flow in the company, we can determine that whether the stock will be positive in the near future or in negative. Fundamental analysis is developed for long-term approach in the market. The investors who hold the investment for long term, they make use of fundamental analysis. One gets to know why any of the event is occurring in the market or the stock. Let's compare this with technical analysis. When we are using technical analysis, we get to know what kind of movement is going to occur in the market. And when we use fundamental analysis, we basically get to know why that movement is occurring. Now let's come up with the most important topic, which is comparison between technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is basically used for short-term trades like intraday trading or swing trading. It is not that technical analysis can't be used for long-term investing, but in most of the cases it is being used for short-term and long-term trading. For the purpose of long-term investments in a particular stock, fundamental analysis is used. We can say that basically technical analysis is designed for trading purpose and fundamental analysis is designed for the purpose of investing. In technical analysis, we just need to study chart and the price action. That means just by studying the charts, price action and some other technical aspects, we can get to know the momentum in the market or basically the movement which would occur in the market. However, when it comes to fundamental analysis, we need to study many things like the balance sheet of the company, industrial analysis, and analysis of valuation of that company. We need to understand company's business model, total revenue generated in every quarters. This makes fundamental analysis a little more difficult as technical analysis for beginners. Also, most of the data in technical analysis is readily available, but in fundamental analysis, data is not mostly accessible. Now next, talking about my views on technical and fundamental analysis, I personally prefer technical analysis over fundamental analysis. Now personally, I have no offense with fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is also a good type of analysis in itself. But however, I prefer technical analysis the most. And one more thing is that if we just analyze the market in terms of technical, at that time we also tend to do the fundamental analysis of the market. Let's understand this. The FIIs, the institutional investors, are the big giant players in the market. People like you, me, are just retail traders who can just trade with lakhs, 10 lakhs or just 1 crore of rupees. But the market runs by more than thousands of crore rupees, which is invested by the FIIs, institutional investors, DIIs, etc. Most of the FIIs do the fundamental analysis of the stock and invest their money, as a result of which the price of the stock increases. This increase in the price, or we can say the movement that occurs in the price, is recorded in the chart which is then taken into consideration by technical analysis. Hence, just by studying technical analysis, we tend to do fundamental analysis in an indirect way. Hence, I prefer technical analysis. In my next video, we'll be talking more about technical analysis, various chart patterns and price action, etc. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible. And to not miss such many contents on the market and technical analysis, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.